Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat, mga kababayan. Sa tanang mga Bisaya, mayong buntag. At sa lahat ng mga hindi nakaiintindi ng Tagalog, good morning to all of you. I told them that, somebody that they can understand Tagalog, good morning to all of them. Especially our beloved mayor in LA, Mayor Antonio Villaray Goza. Thank you very much for inviting me here as a part of your program, planting millions of trees in LA, and I'm very proud that I'm part of that program. And you know, if you know, in the Philippines, in General Santos City, I'm the chairman of task force Kinaiyan, which environment. Our program is to plant millions of trees different places in Jensen. Exactly, that's why when they inform me to for this program, I told them, okay. I'm very proud that I'm the one who invited here in this program. So sa lahat ng mga Pilipino, and also I'd like to invite everybody to watch on my upcoming fight. Of course, I'm sure that everybody excited to see that fight, and I'm gonna promise you, I'm gonna train hard for this fight and to give to bring honor to our country, especially to all the Filipino community here in LA. Bisaya! Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. Punta tanawon manood mo sa akong mutanaw mo sa akong laban karong Mayo 2. Sa lahat ng mga Tagalog, sana panoorin nyo ngayong May 2 ang napakagandang laban namin ni Ricky Hatton. At si Ricky Hatton, malakas din, champion din siya. Kailangan din natin pwedeng i-underestimate. Hindi natin pwedeng bigyan ng kumpiyansa. Kailangan mag-insight na mabuti. At para sa inyong lahat, ito ang laban na to.